Hi guys, it's Nikib here. Today we are going to solve container with most water. Leetcode problem is an Leetcode medium problem. Basically, we are given an array that contain heights of a vertical line. We have to calculate the maximum amount of water that two adjacent line can store. The lines can be the one line can be at the start of an intersection, another line can be at the end of it. It does not depend. So let's first learn how we're going to solve this problem. So we have given lines this one line that, another line that, and one that, and one that. So these are the height of line 1, line 2, line 3, and line 4. We need to calculate the maximum amount of water any two lines can store. So we are going to solve this problem by 2 pointers approach. One pointer will be indicating to the first element of an array, and the other pointer will indicate the last element of an array here. So we call this pointer and left and this pointer right. So now what we does that we will calculate the area between each two lines. So for area we have the formula some some width into height. So in this case we have we are given heights. For example, this 4 has higher height than this 3. So but keep in mind that we are always getting the minimum height, because if we get the higher height, then the water will overflow with this height. So that does not work. We don't want that. We need to uh, get the minimum height so that water stays here. And for the width, we just simply calculate the width by minusing our rightmost pointer with the leftmost pointer. So that's how we can get the width. Now we have area. Now we need to calculate the maximum area. So we'll have some variable called max area, which will store the maximum area between two lines. Uh, So for each iteration, we're going to store the maximum area. For example, in first iteration, if the area is 3, then we're going to store this into a max area variable. If in the next iteration, the max area become as 2, we're not going to reassign this max area with 2 value. We'll just only keep the 3, because we just need the maximum amount of water that these two lines can calculate. At the end, we're just going to return the maximum amount, and also we're going to increment left and right on the basis of their values. For example, if this right height is greater than the left height, in the other world, if the left height is less than the right hand, we need to increment the left pointer, because remember, we need to get the minimum height. That's why. And in other case, if the right is less, then we're just going to implement the right here. So now let's implement square. And so we say that left equals to 0. First point left points at the 0 start of the array height, and right will be to the end of an array. We say that length of height minus 1. Then we need to have max amount variable in which we're going to have the value of the calculated area between two lines. So let's say while left less than or equals to right. We are doing left less than equal to right because we don't want right and left to cross each other. If if that happens, then we need to just break the loop, because we already computed the whole uh, area for every array and for every vertical lines. So that's why we need to exit the loop. So first we need to find the width. We just say that right minus left, and same as the height, we say that height is equals to the minimum of the height of left pointer and same as minimum height of the right pointer. And we know that area equals to width into height. Now we have completed the area of the any two vertical lines. So we just need to store into the max amount. So max amount is equal to max amount and area. Here we are only assigning the new value to the max amount if that area is greater than the previous calculated area. So now we say that if height of left is less than height of right, we just need to increase left pointer by 1. Otherwise we just need decrease the right pointer by -1. At the end we just need to return the max amount. So return max amount. Let's make it a little bit intended. Yeah, let's run the code. On attendance it has an intention problem, so let me solve this by doing this, and hopefully it solve the problem. Yeah. Yep, we have passed the test cases. Now let's submit and see if we pass all the cases. Yep, we have passed all the cases. So yep, this is the solution to calculate the maximum amount of water. I have also made a complete video on how to group n columns together. So if you want to see that, also check my YouTube channel.